YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be nice, short, sweet, and simple. We're going to be upgrading my digital dash. I have an analog dash in my S550 Mustang, and I have a digital dash right here. We're going to go ahead and swap it out, and I'm filming this on the iPhone, just trying something a little bit different. So hopefully the quality turns out good. I'm pretty sure it should be. So let's go ahead and begin the install. It's pretty simple. We just have to remove the old stuff and then replace it with the new stuff. We're inside of my base model car. You can tell I have a pretty nice steering wheel. Shout out C2 Customs. He is the GOAT. I'm also going to be adding some buttons to this steering wheel. It's chilling right over there. But you have to go ahead and remove this panel right here, which should just pop out with a little bit of force. You want to be, very careful you don't break any of these clips. Then you have one more panel right down here. Remove that. One more right here. It's this big ass piece right there. Remove that. I'm also upgrading my radio, so that's why I have this removed, because I had the base model radio and now I have the Sync 2, but I'll probably make another video for that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and there should be a way to move the steering wheel down. I think it's actually on the other side. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and pull that little lever. Move this as far down as you can to leave enough room to go ahead and pull out that analog dash. Now, I've never really done this before, and I'm not looking up any videos, but I can tell right here that on this bezel, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding this entire thing in. And as you can tell, 1, 2, 3 right up there. And then there's probably one more here, so I'll probably need to remove this piece. Yep, just like that, it comes off super easy. Most of it are these little plastic clips, so it's super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and get, I think it's a 7mm. Maybe a little bit smaller, and start undoing that bracket. And there we have it. There were 4 bolts, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this little piece right here, if you just pull up on the edge, you should be able to get both clips on each side off. I did break one, but we're not gonna be keeping this. So let's go ahead and pull out this dash. I think there are 2 more bolts holding it in. Let me check this one, yeah. It looks like there's 2 more bolts holding it in, and we should be able to pull it all the way out. Okay, well, we removed the old analog dash. It is right here in my hand, as well as the old bezel. There's really only one plug. Now, I think when I plug this in, it might just start working, but I will probably have to use ForeScan, which is you plug it into the OBD2 port. I might have to use ForeScan to enable all of the features and make sure that it works specifically with my car. I will be checking out the forums for that and then updating the video, obviously, after we installed it, because I think we can install everything the way it is now and then program it once it's all buttoned up. Here we go. Now it's yelling at me and it's got all of these codes. Let's see if the buttons work. The buttons work. Yeah, that's probably because I don't have my motor in it. We are getting all of the warnings. 6,000 miles on it. Holy shit. Let me turn it off. Dude, that's actually insane. I might not even have to program anything. I'm still gonna go over it with ForeScan and check the forums, but we now have a digital dash. I'm just gonna go ahead and install this bezel and we're solid. All right, so it's a few more days later. I kind of wanted to close off this YouTube video because I forgot, but we got this panel back on. We got pretty much everything back in. I was doing some wiring for my boost controller, which now sits right here. So it's really kind of cool. And I was doing something with the paddle shifters, but as you can see, we have the digital dash fully installed. Now I am missing this little middle piece, which I'm not too worried about because I got a great deal on this digital dash. Everything works. I do still have to program it with ForeScan to get a bunch of the drive modes, but for now, let me go ahead and re-plug in my radio and show you guys what it looks like when I go ahead and turn it on, which shouldn't take me too long. Here we go. Let me go ahead and press the on button, show you guys the dash. It is a little bit dirty, so I have to go ahead and clean it. Oh, okay, there we go. Now I actually pressed it on. As you can see, we have 6,285.5 miles. The buttons do work, but I do have to program it to get a little bit more service ability. Now I have a lot of codes. As you can see, I'm pressing back. There's nothing really on here. It's just empty, but, oh, there we go. Some of the sensors are working now. I don't have the motor in my car right now. We're waiting for that to come in. Yeah, really simple install. All I have to do is plug it into ForeScan, which shouldn't take too long. I think I have the actual ForeScan reader down there. And go ahead and reprogram it with the right stuff. I think I'll go ahead and put a link to the forum. Hi, Parkois. What are you doing?
Is that a digital dash?
This is digital dash.
Base model Mustang?
Inside my base model.
Did you go
pretty
back
cool.
to the calculator screen?
Just to turn it on. I need the harness, which should come in soon. Oh yeah, by the way, I can't install the entire digital Sync 3 because I need an extra harness because my car's a 2018. Now for the 2019s, you don't need the harness. So anyways, Yep, here we go. We got the digital dash fully installed. Super cool. If you guys like the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed like this shorter form video of just installing a digital dash. Really simple. It's pretty much direct plug and play. All you need to do is add the foreskin at the end of it, and yeah, everything works. Super smooth. Appreciate you.